Delicious, soft chocolate cake which you can make at home with just 3 ingredients. You're gonna need chocolate chip cookies, any brand, around 650 grams, baking powder 1 1/4 teaspoon, and milk as required for your batter. Put the cookies in a bowl. Now you can crush them with your hands, but it's better to use a mixer or a blender for an even mix. Now put your baking powder, add your milk. While pouring milk, use a spatula and then slowly pour your milk for an even mix. You can use a blender or a mixer to mix it properly. The consistency should look something like this. It should not be too thick or too watery. Now grab your baking pan, oil the base, put your baking paper in, and now pour the mix. Tap the baking pan once or twice on the table to get rid of air bubbles. And now bake it at 190 Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit for around 20 minutes or until it's done. After that, let it cool for 20 minutes and then take it out from the baking pan to serve it on a serving plate. Now you can serve it just like this because it looks really good and it's delicious just as it is. Or you can decorate it with Nutella and some icing sugar, or you can use sprinkles, whatever you like. Now your cake is ready to serve. Looks amazing. Do try it at home and let us know in the comment section below how it turned out. Enjoy.